Hello, my name is Ben Wordmuller, and this is a very brief demonstration of IndieWeb comments using IDNO and a number of third-party sites. So this is IDNO, this is the software I use to power my own site. I'm going to first of all, I've seen that my friend Barnaby has written about iRobot, and he says he's never seen iRobot all the way through. I feel like, honestly, I've got to warn him. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this URL, I'm going to go over to IDNO, I'm going to say, tell him, Barnaby Walters, are you really sure you want to do that to yourself? It's a controversial view, everyone has a different opinion. My view is iRobot wasn't that great a film. So I'm going to hit save. And the first thing that's going to happen is I've got obviously a post on my own site. I can now follow that back, and I'm just actually, well, I'll follow it back here. I'll click here, and you'll see that my comment has actually shown up on his site. That's pretty cool. He can then post, and he'll be able to comment back onto my site using the same mechanism. The second thing is I've also been reading my friend Sandeep's site here, and he's been posting about something called Universal Greeting Time. Which is the idea that timestamps should be relative to you rather than universal. I'm all for that. Timestamps are annoying, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to favorite that, and I'm going to hit save. And when I favorite that, what's actually going to happen is that on his page, it's going to show up, and it's going to show up that I've liked his page. I think that's pretty cool. So that actually distributed likes, and again, he can come along and he can like a post on my site as well. Our links all post to each other. So here, the Ben Wordmuller link posts to my profile. The permalink here posts to that like on my own site. So, what else can we do with this? Let's see. So we have, I'm going to comment on that like, in fact. So I'm going to comment, I'm going to take this post, I'm going to say, yes, there's a reply here. I'm going to reply to myself in Word. This is a test comment. I hit save. Okay, now let's, this is obviously the comment. I go back to the parent post, and you'll see that it's shown up there as well. Now, really, maybe that's not exactly what I wanted to say, so I'm going to say, this is a test comment edit, exclamation mark. Hit save. Obviously it's just saved the post, but the post that actually I commented on has also changed the comment text. Now, okay, this is the same site, but it is actually happening via the via this decentralized web mention mechanism, which means that if someone else had also implemented the idea of comment updating on their site, and more people are going to do this just as the weeks go on, then they will also see the updated text on their page. The final thing you can do with this, if I go back to the, that post, is if I delete it, gone baby gone, you'll actually see that on my original post, it's gone as well. That's because IndieWeb comments have full CRUD, that's create, read, update, and delete actions associated with them. It's a full decentralized commenting system. There's no central service here. There's nothing that can go down. There's nothing that's controlling all of your comments or storing them or using them as for some kind of data analysis. It's just using the standards of the web. What else can you do with this? Well, earlier today, I actually created an event. I was meeting some folks in Portland, Oregon, where I'm here today, and I posted it, and in fact, you'll see that a number of people commented, I commented, but a number of other people commented on my page, but also a few people RSVP'd to say that they were coming. This also uses the same mechanism. You saw the likes that I posted on Sandeep's page. RSVPs is another version of this. You can also have reshares, just like you might have on Tumblr or on Twitter as well. And of course more verbs are likely to come and be widely accepted as the movement carries on. Again, this is a full decentralized social web platform that actually just lives inside the protocols of the web. Nobody's controlling it. There's no single software platform that you have to install. It's just a case of implementing some really simple protocols that, honestly, they took me as an individual developer, each one, maybe an hour or two, each little building block. And once you have enough of these building blocks, you actually have a full social web experience on your own IndieWeb site. It's pretty amazing. It's, I think, going to be the future of the web. It's certainly going to be the future of the social web, and I invite all of you to check it out. If you'd like to see my platform, it's at idno.co, idno.co. If you want to find out more about the IndieWeb, go to indiewebcamp.com, and you can read all about it, and you can read all about the technology behind this. Thank you, and good night.